How to fix connection error unavailable to contact server. Please check your internet connection on your Roblox. So if you want to fix connection error unable to contact server, please check your internet connection on your Roblox. Then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your settings on your device. After opening your settings application, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for date and time. After searching for date and time, you need to go and just change the date and time. If it is set as automatically, you need to go and change it, or if it has not been set, then you need to set that as automatically. This might fix your problem, but if this doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your Play Store, and from the Play Store, you need to go with search and search for Roblox. After searching for Roblox, if you have any updates on your Roblox, you just need to simply go and update it. After updating, the problem might be fixed. You need to tap on the update button and it will update automatically. Once done, you can go back, restart your device, and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.